Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to bake cake using your pot. You don't need an oven for this, and I'll also be showing you how to pack your cakes for sale. We'll also be making the calculation here, and we'll see the cost and also the profits you can get from baking cake. There's so much gain in it. All you need to do is watch till the end of this video to see how it was done. So first, I'm going to be using 250 grams of butter, 1 cup of sugar. I'll mix this for 15 minutes. So it will be a bit hard since you're not using a mixer. After mixing for 15 minutes, I'll add my egg yolk to it. I'll be using 4 eggs for this. This part, I'll use just the yolk. When I add each yolk, I'll mix it. This will make the cake come out fluffy. Here I have my egg white. I use the yolk then. I'm going to whisk this till it comes out foamy. Here I'm going to pour in my egg white into my batter and I'll mix this. This will take roughly 5 minutes to combine properly. Here I'm going to add my flour. I'll be using 2 cups of flour. I used half cup for this measurement. That is why you can see me using 4 of it. So don't get confused. I did not use 4 cups of flour. It's 2 cups of flour. And here I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Same thing. I use my half teaspoon to measure it. That is why I'm using 2 of it. So you don't get confused. So I'll just mix this till it is well combined. Don't overmix. All you need to do is just mix it till your butter and your flour is well combined. Here I'm using my milk. I use 1/4 cup of milk. What I use here actually is 2 sachets of powdered milk and 1/4 cup of water. So I mix the both together. Here I'm going to fill my cupcake pan with the butter. I used 4 pans in this place. And next is a bigger pan. What I need to do here is to glaze the pan with butter, and once I'm done with that, I'll dust it with some flour. Here I'm also filling the pan. In the cupcake pan, I use just 1 spoon, but for this triangle pan, I'm using 2 spoons. I'll do same with the square pan. I'll be using 2 spoons of my cake batter. So this 2 now is like double of it. Then this is a bit bigger. This is 4 inches. I'll be using 4 spoons. And here you have it. This is not all the batter. I still have some left. But since I'm using a pot, I'll need to do it batch by batch. Here I'm going to preheat my pot for just 5 minutes. Inside my pot, I have gravel. After 5 minutes, I'll place all my pan with the batter inside and let to bake. So this is one that could fit into the pot. So I'll cover this and let to bake for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what we're having. Use a toothpick and pierce into your cake. Then check your toothpick. If it comes out clean, your cake is well baked. But if it comes out sticky, you know it's not baked. So here our cake is well baked. I'll take it out. And these are the remaining 4 cupcake, I'll put it and also bake for 15 minutes. Here is our cupcakes and also the one in the pan. All came out well, none got burnt. Look at the texture of the cake. If you have any question, please do well to leave it in the comment section. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my videos. Don't forget to like this video. This is the second set. It is well baked now. And next I'll be doing is the packaging. So I bought this pack for 800 naira and I have 100 pieces inside. I'll be only using some, I won't use all. If you're using this type of pack, you don't need a stapler or you don't need any form of seal. It comes with its seal. All you need to do is to put in your cake and then peel off the seal cover, then seal your cake. That's all you need to do. Just peel it off, then you close to seal your cake. I'll do same with the remaining cakes. So for the big cake, the 4 inches, I sliced it into 4 parts, which will still give me one size of the cupcake. I'm having 12 size of the small one and also 2 size of the big one. This is what I have here. Total cost of everything I got was 3,750. I'll just approximate this to be 4,000 naira. I don't know which currency you'll be using, but this is Nigerian currency. And my selling cost for the small one, I'll be selling it for 500 each. 12 pieces would give me 6,000. For the big one, I'll be selling it for 1,000 each. 2 pieces would give me 2,000. 6,000 plus the 2,000 will be giving me 8,000. In total, I'm selling it for 8,000. My initial cost price was 4,000. You'll be having 4,000 naira profit. So tell me if this is not a business you can start. Imagine having more orders. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be using this my selling price or not. If it's too high also, you can tell me what you think would go best for the sizes. If you also have any question, do well to leave it in the comment section and I'll give an answer. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my videos. You can also share for others to see. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.